In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp to send bulk emails. Whether you're reaching out to clients, customers, or subscribers, sending bulk emails can seem daunting. But with Mailchimp, the process is straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, head over to Mailchimp's website, which is your home base for all email marketing activities. If you haven't done so already, log into your account using your credentials. It's essential to have access to your email list and other resources stored in your account to proceed with sending bulk emails. Once you're in, navigate over to the Campaigns tab. This is where all your email campaigns live. Click on All Campaigns, and you'll see a plus button or an option to Create Campaign. Select that and you're set to start crafting your new email campaign. Now pick email as your campaign type and then choose regular email. This option is perfect for most standard newsletters or bulk communication. It offers the flexibility you need without too many bells and whistles. Next, you'll want to give your campaign a recognizable name. This step is more about your internal organization, so choose something descriptive like March newsletter to make it easy to identify later. The next task is to set the recipient list. Under the To section, select the audience list you'd like to send this campaign to. Mailchimp allows you to segment this list into smaller groups if needed, which is very useful if you want to target specific demographics or interests within your audience. For the From details, enter your name and email address. It's always best to use a professional email address here as it lends credibility and also reassures recipients that the email is authentic and not spam. Now, let's move to the subject of your email. This is crucial as it's the first thing recipients will see. Craft a subject line that is engaging and invites your audience to open the email. Keep it clear, concise, and compelling. With that out of the way, it's time to design your email. Click on Design Email, and Mailchimp will offer you various templates to choose from. Go for a template that resonates with your brand or create a custom one for a more personalized touch. Don't forget to add images, videos, and call to action buttons to make your email not only informative but also visually appealing. Before sending, always review your campaign. Click Continue to see a summary of everything you've set up. Double check recipient information, subject line, and other details. Lastly, decide when to send your email. You can choose Send Now if you're ready to go, or Schedule to pick a specific date and time. Scheduling is a great option if you want your email to hit inboxes at an optimal time for maximum engagement. That covers it. You've successfully learned how to use Mailchimp to send bulk emails. With these steps at your fingertips, you're ready to connect with your audience effectively and professionally.